Hello everyone, welcome back to Techbro. Have you ever wanted to transform your regular looking footage into a stunning cinematic videos? Well, it's easier than you think, especially with Wondershare FIlmora. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the simple step to achieve that cinematic look effortlessly. But before we get started, if you have already, make sure to visit the official website to download and install the latest version of FIlmora. Link is available in the video description. So let's dive in. FIlmora is packed with a powerful library of effects, filters and tools that you can take your videos to the next level. Whether you are editing travel vlogs, short films or content for social media, this guide will help you make your footage look more professional and cinematic. So let's begin. Start by launching FIlmora or creating a new project. Import your footage and drag it onto the timeline. As you can see, the video looks quite basic for now. The first step is color grading. Click on your footage, go to the color tab and scroll down. Start by adjusting the temperature to set the tone and mood. Then enhance the overall color by fine-tuning the vibrance and saturation. Next, scroll the light section and adjust the exposure, brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, whites, blacks to give your video more depth and drama. Now let's go a bit deeper and select the HSL option to target specific colors with your footage. You can adjust the hue, saturation and luminance of individual colors to achieve a more balanced and mid-tones and shadow. Then adjust the curve to further refine the lighting and contrast. If needed, use the color wheels to make the final adjustment to highlight mid-tone and shadows. Once your colors are dialed in, it's time to add some cinematic flair. Head over to the filters tab and pick a filter that complements your footage. You can combine multiple filters to create a custom looks. Don't forget to tweak the strength and opacity of the filters in the settings for better control. Now let's bring in some dynamic effects. Go to the effect tab and search for flare. Choose a flare that suits your scenes and drag it onto your clip. In the settings, you can adjust the opacity and even animate it using keyframe for a more natural appearance. To complete the cinematic looks, search for Cinema 21:9 and apply it to a new track above the video. Adjust the height of the cinematic bar to give it that widescreen movie feel. Once everything looks good, render the footage and preview the final result. And finally, export your final result. So what are you waiting for? Download FIlmora 14 and using the link in the description and start creating stunning videos today. So and that's it for today's video. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.